What if you could escape to a place where the sun always shines, where the beaches are as inviting as the people, where history and culture are as vibrant as the lush greenery? Welcome to Martinique. A Caribbean paradise nestled between the azure waters of the Atlantic Ocean and Caribbean Sea, Martinique is a tapestry of stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. This island is a treasure trove that teases the senses with its warm climate and friendly locales. Imagine walking along pristine beaches, the sand warm beneath your feet, or exploring the colorful Creole architecture of a quaint fishing village. Picture yourself delving into the island's tragic past, learning about the eruption of Mount Pelée in 1902 that reshaped the face of Saint-Pierre, once known as the Paris of the Caribbean. Each corner of Martinique tells a story, inviting you to become part of its narrative. So, are you ready to take a virtual journey and explore the beauty of Martinique? Imagine stepping onto a sandy beach that stretches as far as the eye can see. Welcome to Les Antilles d'Arles, one of Martinique's many stunning beaches. This picturesque fishing village on the southwest coast of the island is a paradise, adorned with pristine beaches and turquoise waters. It's not just about the breathtaking views here, it's about immersing yourself in the experience, the feeling of sand beneath your toes, the gentle caress of the sea breeze, and the rhythmic sound of waves crashing against the shore. And when you're not sunbathing or swimming, you can explore the charming streets lined with colorful Creole architecture, dotted with quaint shops and restaurants. But Les Antilles d'Arles is just one of the many gems in Martinique's crown. Further south, you'll find Le Diamant, known for its iconic rock formation. Here, the beach is a canvas of golden sand, framed by the endless expanse of the Caribbean Sea. It's a place to unwind, to lose yourself in the beauty of nature, to find peace. And for the more adventurous, the hike to the top of Morne Larcher offers panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. Then there's Les Salines Beach, often considered one of the most beautiful beaches in Martinique. This idyllic setting is like a postcard come to life, with powdery white sand, swaying palm trees, and calm, crystal-clear waters. It's the perfect spot for a beachside picnic, for building sandcastles, or simply for relaxing under the tropical sun. Martinique is an island that invites you to dive in, literally and figuratively. Here you can snorkel in the vibrant coral reefs, swim with the colorful marine life, and discover a world beneath the waves that's as beautiful and diverse as the one above. With so much to offer, you'll find that a day at the beach in Martinique is far from ordinary. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, whether you're a beach bum or a water sports enthusiast, Martinique's beaches have something for everyone. So come, dip your toes in the water and let the magic of Martinique wash over you. But Martinique isn't just about the beaches. It's a place where history comes alive, where every corner has a story to tell. Nestled in the heart of the Caribbean, this French island has a rich tapestry of history that's as captivating as its natural beauty. Take Saint-Pierre, for example, once known as the Paris of the Caribbean. This historic town wears its tragic past like a badge of honor. In 1902, the eruption of Mount Pelée reduced the town to ruins. Today, you can explore remnants of its former glory and learn about the city's heritage at the Musée Volcanologique. It's a sobering reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. Then there's La Savane des Esclaves, an open-air museum that takes you on a journey back in time. Here, you'll find exhibits showcasing traditional Creole architecture, indigenous plants, and artifacts from the island's past. Guided tours and workshops provide a window into Martinique's history and the legacy of slavery in the Caribbean. It's an educational experience that's sure to leave you with a deeper understanding of the island's cultural roots. No journey through Martinique's history would be complete without a visit to Fort-de-France, the island's capital. This vibrant city is a melting pot of French and Caribbean culture. Historic landmarks like Fort St. Louis and the Schulcher Library stand as testaments to the island's colonial past. Stroll through the colorful markets, taste the local cuisine at waterfront restaurants, and feel the pulse of this city that's steeped in history, yet buzzing with modern energy. But the true charm of Martinique lies in its unique blend of French and Caribbean influences. From the Creole dialect spoken by the locals to the French-inspired cuisine, every aspect of life on the island is a testament to this cultural fusion. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, where the echoes of the past resonate in the present. So, as you can see, Martinique is a place where the past and present coexist in harmony. It's not just an island, it's a living, breathing testament to a rich history and vibrant culture that continues to shape its future. Now let's venture off the beaten path and into the heart of Martinique's natural beauty. Perched in the hills above Fort-de-France, we find the Jardin de Balata. This botanical paradise is a spectacle of exotic plants, vibrant flowers, and towering trees. As you wander through winding pathways, you're immersed in a world of color and fragrance. Each turn reveals a new botanical marvel, while the elevated position gifts panoramic views of the encompassing rainforest. Next, we journey to the Caravelle Peninsula, a nature reserve on the island's northeast coast. This untouched haven is a collage of pristine beaches, mangrove forests, and coastal hiking trails. For those with a thirst for adventure, a hike to the Pointe de la Caravelle lighthouse is a must. Standing at the top, you're greeted with a breathtaking panorama of the Atlantic Ocean. But the exploration doesn't stop there. The mangrove-lined shores beckon kayakers to glide through their waterways, offering a unique perspective on this coastal wonderland. Finally, we traverse La Route de la Tresse. This scenic route carves its way through the heart of Martinique's rainforest. As you drive or hike along this path, you're treated to a visual feast of lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and looming volcanic peaks. Make sure to pause at viewpoints and picnic areas scattered along the route. These spots provide the perfect opportunity to soak in the awe-inspiring natural beauty that Martinique proudly showcases. In Martinique, there's more than just stunning landscapes. It's about the experiences these places offer. The thrill of hiking to untouched viewpoints, the serenity of exploring quiet mangroves, the majesty of standing amidst a botanical wonderland. It's these moments that truly capture the essence of Martinique's natural beauty. So there you have it. A taste of what Martinique has to offer. A place of stunning beauty, rich history, and a warm, inviting culture. One visit and you'll understand why it's considered a Caribbean paradise.